Hello to everyone. My name is Anastasia and I'm a lawyer and SMM manager at Interexi. Today we're starting our new employee interview section in which everyone will talk about their role in the company and answer frequently asked questions. So our first guest today is business analyst Julia.
Hi, my name is Julia. I'm the lead business analyst at Interexi. I have been working here since 2018. My main responsibility, I would say, is to listen to clients, gather their requirements, and prepare excellent documentation for their projects.
So it's great that you introduced yourself and thus answered the questions I wanted to ask you. For now, let's pretend that I'm a client. And in this role, I want to ask you a few questions. So please tell us what a business analyst does on a project and what is actually a specification.
Sure. Yes, as I said, main responsibility of business as analyst is actually to listen all clients' needs and prepare software requirement documentation for the project. Basically, software specification document is an essential required document for every successful project. It will give an in-depth understanding of clients' final goals connected to their current business setup, which makes it possible to give an advice on improving the system. Also, the development team will receive clear project requirements, which reduces overall time and cost of project development.
And why does the client need everything that you described? Why it is important?
Sure. Yes, I usually say that building an app is like building a house. We don't build a house without an architect's drawing, right? So the same works basically with applications. Before creating an app, we should create an accurate documentation that will cover all clients' needs, all requirements, and all documentation. First of all, it's decreases chances of conflicts. If there is any dispute over the scope during the development, it will be possible to back up arguments without documentation. Also, it helps with miscommunication. Sometimes developers can perceive information differently. In the base case scenario, it will lead to constant clarifications, which will waste a lot of time, and in the worst case, will waste your money due to the further incorrect feature implementation. So I would say this is the main part of the project.
I think the role of a business analyst has become much clearer now. And can you please tell us if clients can make changes after verification of requirements?
For sure, since we are working by agile processes in our company, after verification of requirements, we are completely flexible up to our clients if they want to add their uh, cha changes into the project. We just add them into the queue of other features and implement them as soon as will be possible.
So still one question remains. What, in your opinion, is the key to successful project preparation?
Oh, that's a cool question, actually. I would say from my experience that first of all, it's an interest and a lot of interaction from the client side, because on this stage, it's very important to communicate with client as much as possible. And finally, of course, it's, I would say, clear documentation, a clear describing of all requirements that client says. But basically, on this stage, most of the things depends on the client interaction.
Thank you, Julia, for this conversation. I think everyone was interested in listening to you. It's time for us to end our interview and have a nice day. See you soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome.